When artificial intelligence first entered the mainstream, many people imagined a world where machines would completely replace humans. In reality, AI has not simply taken over jobs, it has transformed them. From healthcare to marketing, manufacturing to education, technology is reshaping how people work, learn, and collaborate. The shift is not about losing control to machines, but about redefining what humans can do best. In factories, robots handle repetitive tasks with precision, while humans focus on design and innovation. In offices, AI tools automate data entry, research, and even customer service. This change allows professionals to spend more time on creativity, empathy, and strategy, skills that algorithms cannot easily imitate. Yet the transition is not simple. Many workers feel uncertain, wondering if their jobs will disappear or evolve into something unrecognizable. The first step to navigating this change is awareness. Understanding how AI works, its limitations, and its strengths helps people adapt. Instead of fearing technology, forward-thinking workers learn to collaborate with it. The question is no longer whether AI will change work, it already has. The real question is how people can remain valuable in a world where machines can think faster but not necessarily better. The most successful professionals in the age of AI are those who see it as a partner rather than a threat. Doctors use AI to analyze medical images faster, but they remain responsible for judgment, care, and ethical decisions. Teachers use AI-driven platforms to personalize lessons, yet their human insight continues to inspire students. In journalism, AI can summarize large amounts of data, but the emotional power of storytelling still belongs to people. New kinds of jobs have also appeared. AI trainers, data ethicists, and algorithm explainers are now essential in many industries. Creative roles are expanding too, as artists and designers use generative tools to explore ideas faster. However, these opportunities require new skills: critical thinking, digital literacy, and emotional intelligence. The challenge for society is to make sure no one is left behind. Continuous learning has become the foundation of modern careers. Workers must learn, unlearn, and relearn as technology evolves. Governments, schools, and companies play an important role by offering res-killing programs and promoting lifelong education. The future belongs to those who can combine human empathy with technological fluency. When humans and machines work together, the result is not replacement. It is reinvention. Looking ahead, the workplace of the future will be hybrid, a blend of human talent and artificial intelligence. Tasks that require pattern recognition, calculation, or prediction will likely be automated. But roles involving leadership, creativity, communication, and ethics will remain deeply human. AI can write code, design buildings, or compose music, but it cannot fully understand meaning, intention, or morality. These uniquely human dimensions will guide how technology is used. Many experts believe the future will not bring mass unemployment but mass transformation. Some jobs will disappear, but new ones will rise. The key is adaptability. Young professionals entering the workforce today must learn not only technical skills, but also emotional resilience and cultural awareness. Collaboration across borders, time zones, and even between humans and machines will define success. Ultimately, AI's greatest impact is not on the economy but on identity. It forces people to ask what truly makes them human. The future of work will not be a race against machines but a dance with them. A partnership that challenges us to think bigger, act wiser, and create with purpose. Those who embrace learning and empathy will not just survive the AI revolution, they will lead it.